Tired of being chained to your desk just to sign a document? Docusign's mobile app lets you handle agreements securely from anywhere. And in this quick tutorial, we'll cover the essentials to get you started. Once you've downloaded and logged into the Docusign app, the first thing you'll see is your inbox. Here you'll find documents awaiting your signature, organized for easy access. To sign a document, tap on it. You'll be guided through each required field, like signature boxes, dates, or initials. Tap on a field to activate it. Docusign offers multiple ways to sign. You can draw your signature with your finger, type it in using a variety of styles, or even upload a pre-existing image of your signature. Select the option you prefer. Once you've completed all the required fields, tap Finish in the top right corner. Docusign will securely finalize the document. Head to the Send tab to track documents that you've already signed or sent out for signature. You can review their status and even download a copy for your records. The Docusign app also gives you access to templates for frequently used forms, detailed settings to customize your experience, and a comprehensive help section should you need assistance. And that's it. You're now ready to manage agreements on the go with the Docusign mobile app. Start streamlining your workflow today.